Go on like you're blood class somebody. You're not nobody, man.
Brother, thank you.
You're bad, man. Everybody see you uplift and elevate. You hate them. You hate people for no reason. You join one live and you see somebody on the way you don't know. Be attitude. I go on like you. You're not nobody, girl. You're not no blood clot body.
Guys,
You just a big stinking refrigerator full of spoiled meat and a blood clot it. And you think, sit down one place in a blood clot house can't change the location all now. You cause your own mother for dirty blood clot foot mat. You lack of current by your blood clot sister with a little blood clot baby in there. What this dirty thinking, corrupted blood clot evil girl. You cause your own mama, you fight off your own mama dirty thinking girl. Your own mother, you put your hand pan girl. You have crosses, you have grassmite, you have dirty corner girl. You can't cause your own blood clot mother and beat your own mother girl. You have dirty dead girl, you see a dead girl. You are walking dead eats by the big stinking sour Rosealee. Go suck out your mama girl.
Cha-cha.
But now out your mama and go girl. Your own mother, your blood clot beat up. Maybe say if you want black, hey girl, me been blood clot black half hour my phone big stinking suck out girl.
Guys.
That me I try to tell you. All you can do is chat it off on a blood clot about nothing else. You want a piece of cloth, let me give you a piece of cloth. Bad mind, girl. Your life I go full. Them I go give you. See it there. Take it, go on with it now. I feel your cloth. Take it and go on with it. Eh? You have no talent. Only talent you have a blood clot, bad mind people, suck hood, fuck be a batty man, shit up your dirty thinking, pussy everything. What else you have to do? You know nothing if you do. Man, don't black none of them see you chat off them out. Don't black none of them see you chat off them out. Make them tan.
Okay, baby.
Make them tan.
Guys, each person one
Make
word.
them tan on their fake page. We don't listen to people, bro.
Each person one word.
Stop out your mom and go a bad mind. You're to a bad mind, man. You hate everybody over here for nothing. Everybody you hate for nothing. But you hate the people in for. You get up every day for one, they could see him topic every day. Oh, he scam, he my chopper, he thief, and blood clot so. Me take none from your bitch. How much time you there you hungry and broke, girl, and me say the two biz $100 girl.
Everybody shoot a rose chat.
How much time you there and me link somebody say, you send him $100 for me, I send him 2 bills to me. Big dirty stinking girl. You know, man. Your bad mind blood clot, you're not happy for nobody, girl. You're not happy for nobody. You ever say when you gift to them, go give me it. And me say me gift to them, go give you. And me say me gift to them, go give you and say, go give sitting man. Hungry belly blood clot, girl. Suck out your mama and go, man. You're too blood clot bad mind. Every day you come here, you want to text it for people, you want to style people, you want to deal with the people in the most way. And I go on like, you're not nobody, man. Go fix up your place, man. Go blood clot, buy furniture, put in your blood clot, so go buy a good bed. You sleep on this a little blood clot bed, you jigs up on the one little blood clot bed and can't spin. You're hot and you sweat your bed, stink. You're hot and you sweat your bed, stink. Big old TikTok celebrity like a fan where you hitch up in a blood clot rooftop you have your dipping pan. You can't even buy one little ACV cool and a big stinking extra large body. You're big stinking way looking blood clot you. You're big you're happy frozen, I mean I ask you. You're happy think. Cause you know light beard, you know light blood clot, use roll arm. And what do you see lift up on them blood clot arm? Be a black like I say a fire coal you have on the arm lock it down. Big stinking blood clot looking girl. We come like your roast blood clot cashew under your arm. And the arm come like a cold blood clot pot. Like a cold stove in between your blood clot leg. You think me could really skin out you with that black cross there for your 2 legs side them. But nyam out your mama Rosealee boss in a hood picture. Big stinking girl, you think me a waist girl. You think a big dirty thinking waist girl like you can get a fuck off of this boy. You think me a waist girl. You somebody man you look good. You're full of black spot like a blood clot tire mark. Like tire skid under your arm. Like a blood clot dove under your arm. Big stinking girl. I want to go suck out your mama Rosealee. Yeah, somebody, you come and say, go like somebody, you style everybody, but you can't style me big dirty jelly blood clot belly girl. You can't style me. You come and you want this everybody panic up. You want to style everybody panic up. Your bad mind, everybody panic up. And it's just the fucking truth, bro. It's the fucking truth. Everybody you want style pan it up, bro.
Guys, nobody
you want to kill everybody. Tell Pops to go down out to your mama, man. And not call me, man. You go suck your mama and not call me, man. Everybody you want blood clot style pan it up. You want this everybody pan it up for no blood clot reason. You trouble people for no. One day.
Guys, we need a snipe chat. Come on, guys. Everybody freeze and listen to the cussing, guys. We now go. Oh, my God. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for the money gun. Thank you. Guys, come on. You're a stepmom. Big up yourself. Thank you so much. Guys. Help me push up a score. Come on, chat. Chat with day here, guys. Everybody double tap a screen.
Anything you come over here and put me.
Distracted, man. When I time I turn off, I know say everybody around go over
Blood
this.
clot in front of nobody life. Low people life. We don't do the styling. We no bad mind. We no bad mind, no time. Anybody that talk about grape and I'm chat make me tan, never chat about grape, I want to chat about melon too. I never chat about pine, I never chat about apple, I never chat about cantaloupe, I never chat about lychee, I never chat about pear and blood clot, onion and then tomato and something there. Lord, them make them type when they want blood clot type. Cause I'm not busy with them. You see me? And Rosealee, let me tell you this, I just know where your blood clot and know where you're the charge. Because we bust your blood clot for you. I tell you that then. Without no apology, just learn that. Me tell me here and pop your pussy for you. I tell you that. But name out your mama. Go suck your mama big sour thinking girl. You too blood clot bad mind. Tell papa say go suck your mama. And not call me. A violence me I deal with Nadia. Vile blood clot lens. And that me I deal with Nadia. Me I deal with nothing but blood clot violence. Violence me I deal with.
In the comment section?
Big dirty stinking big back ticks. You have a blood clot cow. Everybody cause look better than you. You cause shale tan better than blood clot you. You cause kitty tan better than you. You cause Annie tan better than blood clot you. You cause Batman ticky tan better than blood. All Batman tan better than you. Go suck out the mama Rosealee. You have somebody girl. Yeah? You have somebody. I say tell Papa, I say go hey, I don't chat with him still. You have somebody man. Every day you come here, you interfere with the people. You cause mackerel look better. You mackerel do well than you. Look, pan girl post a video what they in a nice eyeglass come our business place. All the places can come up in your big stinking hole. If just going like go shit up in there, because your man a fuck batty like a dog, a blood clot town. Or suck your mama Jakes. And go suck out your mama Rosealee. Breezy, Mr. Tell Papa why Jesus go suck your mama and tap tell mama call me. You deaf?
We're going to some on the bonus. We're going to some on the bonus chat. Come on, guys.
Big stinking way looking girl.
Use a bonus. Use a bonus.
You come over here so come call blood clot going like you want to come style. Look on Vanny way style. Vanny up in a foreign do better than blood clot. You big thinking girl. Everybody do better than you. Bad man people for their visa. You bad man people for plane ticket. Boy, you want to go to England. England want you big dirty thinking girl.
Thank you so much.
England want you big dirty thinking girl. Boy, you want to go to England. You smell like a dog shit. Boy, you want to go to England. England want you girl. You mix up bumbo. How you go to England go do? When you have them blood clot food with the crave of big back blood clot self. Tell Papa say go suck out his mama. You deaf and tap boy. Every time say the people over your body boy.
Guys, we catch a triple.
I have to give you 1 30 and your blood clot in the boy, Pops. Man, I have to give you 1 30 in the body boy. Love me pussy wall. If I give you 1 30 over your body, man. You say love me body boy. And tap saying the people go call me body man. You have to give 1 30 big suck with Pops. But then fuck down and over. Hey boy, don't fuck with me and love me man. And you say violence me I deal with to the body boy. Love me. And I had to send them go call me.
21 rose chat. Each person 1 rose.
Big dirty thinking Rosealee. You think you can bring me down over your girl? And your mother fucking see a man and suck see a mother girl. Tree some your mother do you. Your mother do tree some big stinking girl.
Brother, give a rose. 1 rose.
Girl know where you do man. Here. And go friends with a big blood clot.
Each person give a rose chat.
You about fridge your fuck.
Merciful.
Big dirty girl. And go friends with a bad mind. Bad mind and kill you.
Come on guys.
And you sit down with your bad mind, blood clot self, and then know your bad mind, and then sit down there with you, you know. And I laugh up with you, and then know your blood clot bad mind, you know.
Come on,
and then sit down with you, laugh up with you, and then know your blood clot bad mind. You think you don't know say your bad mind?
Come on, guys.
Rosealee can bring me down. Rosealee have what me have. Rosealee own me have. Rosealee have nothing with me have. Rosealee can bring me down.
Yeah? Nobody in a radio.
Rosealee can bring me down. Yeah?
Guys, we have a push up.
Rosealee can bring me down. Rosealee can bring me blood clot down. Eh? Rosealee have me have. That's a piece of me Rosealee in a blood clot. Rosealee can bring me down. Rosealee can't secret. Rosealee got secret for your mother, man. Rosealee can't secret for me. No pussy pan this, not no secret for me. Me bold and beautiful. Me mad in a real life. Ask anybody in my place. Me mad in a real life. Why do you think when you come with an allegation, you can't get me down, bro? Because me mad in a real life, bro. Everybody around me know me surrounding, bro. Me am out your mama big thinking, Rosealee. You can't bring me down, girl. All that 2-5 minutes, them man, and go on with you. Me done with you, no, bitch. All that 5 minutes and go on. Because you want it, so me give you it. Take you and go on with it, man. You want cloud. Every time you see it, we come over here, so, and we are running control into you, man. We not use you. Because you add me from what you have now. Answer you, bro. Because everybody I tell you say things about me, you're too thin skinny, I take it personal. So when you add me not blood clot answer you. Me not answer you when you add me, so that bun you, because me not answer you, because you're bad mind, bro. Enter you see people are blood clot, go on nothing, you not answer. I'm not talking about people. I'm busy with one style, bro. One at a blood clot time. I can't take any whole TikTok today. I'm tired. One at a blood clot time. I can't take any whole TikTok today. Me now chatting with Ziggy because remember say a gunman push up gun in a body and shot him making him walks around the Rima. I done a fuck Ziggy in a film body, so me now chatting with him. Him a professional body blood clot man. They put up gun in a body and fire it making him walk and cripple so. I got a walking blood clot miracle that. So me now look on Ziggy we come over here style woman maybe blood clot they go like him as somebody. Ziggy nobody. Ziggy live in a blood clot dog pen. Hog pen Ziggy live in a within dirty blood clot, dirty floor. No tile in a blood clot house, crack up and chip up and chop blood clot, chop up. And he said he dirty, he said a generation said he where blood clot stood down. He said he was handed down to blood clot him from his great grand blood clot mother. Go suck out your mama batty man Ziggy. Go now boy Ziggy and don't play me neither now. Don't blood clot play me neither now pussy cause me get corrupt you know. Don't play me neither now. Go on with your blood clot no, don't follow me up you know. Don't follow me up bad man. Go on with your blood clot go. Oh.
You see all water quota.
No bumbo clot. Suck out the mama. When you can report me, I don't know how to report me. When you can report me, I don't know how to report me. Me can build back one next page tomorrow and come back. Suck out to the mama. Me can build back 15 pages and come back tomorrow. Me still going to reach for my followers and people them still going to follow them back. When you want to the mama, big dirty thinking people. Maybe if you know report me, I don't know. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer. Jesus is my deliverer. I know the daddy. Yeah. Pain in me back, he deliverer. Yes, Jesus, pain in me, he deliverer. Pain in me, he deliverer. I know he go suck out your mama Rosealee. Oh. Me not busy with Destiny. Me not give Destiny no cloth. Destiny, you can't get no cloth off of me. If you live in Jamaica, I kill a long time. I'm not asking without no blood. Brawling me, I tell you that if you dead America, you dead long time, girl, for the last 4 years. I see for my daughter life and my mother life. You that dead long time.
Don't make it run out.
So me not depend nothing with you. Me not depend nothing with you. You understand me? Me not deal with you. You right half already. Me not deal with you. You not get no clothes. Like Rosealee look like clothes. Because Rosealee want go foreign and he want build up blood clot house. So me not chatting with you because you're dead blood clot boy in a real blood clot life. You understand me? I no joke talk me depend. I swear upon my life when me there so with you. A dead boy in a real life. So me not depend no argument with you. What done with you. Me not too afraid about you. You understand me? Rosealee, you can't build me, girl. You can't build me. I'm there long before your big stinking girl. You think followers are success. You think followers are success? Eh? My all page we gone at 247,000. My all page we gone. So either they way up here now. If you never go. I mean that page before that with the 160 we go. When TikTok take my page them. Either girl, you know me over here so I run over this. And the number one every blood clot week. Me feel like I'm ranking give youths them.
Me can't go over here so do this. Honestly. No, nobody now focus here, so me can't get over your side do that. Me can't get them to catch the speed. Me can't get them to push up a score. Nothing at all. Me can't over your side do this with them. No.
More than your blood clot, bad mind, big stinking girl.
Everybody on focus here, so.
She say your teeth, your gift. Sure.
See that we can't.
24 roses. 24 roses.
Right, each person.
24 roses. I want Brompton badness for my dog, man. Big up.
Guys,
24 roses. All right, Rosealee, go and find something to do no big stinking girl. Go beard. Go and go beard, girl.
Guys,
don't go on like you feel like you can't ramp with me. Me with this, yo. I in a real life, too. What you about your mama, girl? Oh. Maybe. Pretty girl, me see you, I'm done. Big dirty thinking, girl. Me right off. You know what you do here? Me jag it right down to the ground. Me jag it right down to the ground. I want to go diggy phone call and see if you know all women for blood clot no. When you don't want to talk over here, I just know you and lick your blood clot chip with it. When you're out your mama, girl, I know what you do.
Different person for do it, guys. Them just wait till it run out. And see there, it run out. When you catch it back, see me.
Big dirty stinking blood clot, girl. Your bad mind, you fuck. Your bad mind, everybody. When you see people in company life, hear them to woman them. For example, like you know say, Annie, you don't give woman. You give nobody nothing put on big dirty thinking, girl. You give nobody nothing if you put on. Baby. You give nobody nothing if you put on big dirty thinking mask up, girl. You give nobody nothing if you put on. When you see people come in a blood clot like boy, you don't give woman. Tap call my blood clot phone, man. We couldn't tap call my phone. Drunk or walk on my phone. We couldn't tap call my phone. Dead dog. You understand me? When people come here, you're going like nobody. Me not friendship with him. Tell Pop some, hey, alright. Me not friendship with him, bro.
Pops just enough
Me
so.
don't get my blood clot steady one in my meds and me say, no, so I get if you go if you through. And that's why if I want them, I deal with him, so. Remember, the first time you used to just laugh off, you know. That's why if I want them, I deal with him, so. Because I say, girl is a real bad mind, girl. Yeah, watch my business place, but I you make me go build bar. Hey, girl, you go suck out your mama and go, girl. But you make me go build bar. You see a club me have. Your bad mind blood clot. Hey, me know that certain time, I just laugh up with him, bro. Because I say, alright, then I was seeing bad mind look style that. You can't make nobody build nothing. You can't even build nothing for your blood clot self. You can't even build a blood clot bed for yourself, much less. You can't even build one good fridge. You can't even build one food in your house. If you want juice, you have to go a road, go send go chussie. If you want to sit here, you have to go chussie. You can't tap in this and take up anything and drink and yam. You can't blood clot go in the kitchen, go turn up and cook and show them nice kitchen. Yeah? You can go in the bathroom and put in the camera and bathe. Eh? You have running blood clot shower, bitch. Suck out the mama and go big dirty thinking Rosealee. All of them on grape.